Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Monday morning, May 9th. We are looking at Window Traders Market Profile, SPY IWMN, Triple Qs. Hope you had a lovely weekend and a very, very nice Mother's Day. Markets are continuing basically what they attempted to do last week. Believe it or not, we had two really poor weeks in a row. We've been down 5 weeks in a row. We only finished off 66 cents, though, believe it or not, last week in SPY. But now they're attempting to come out of balance on the daily to the downside. Remember, we have a large gap from a little over a year ago. Generally, a gap of that size, 271 points, might not get filled the first time. However, after this length of time and coming out of a daily balance to the downside, I would think odds would be pretty good to fill it if and when we get into it. And then also below that, we have that monthly gap at 398.12 that I feel should fall. Those are targets we've been talking about for a while. Right now, overnight high is 411.52 in SPY. The overnight low is 402.67, which puts us inside of that gap from April 5th from 2021. Game plan for this morning. Well, we're attempting to take out a bunch of lows, a weekly low, a monthly low, and get into that gap. So here's the bottom of our balance, right? This was Friday. Here was the seconds low. That's the bottom of the balance. That was last Monday's low. As much as gap rules apply, so do balance rules. And even though we've taken out the bottom of that balance pre-market, and to me that doesn't count. So we're going to have to see where we are come 9:30 Eastern time. If we're opening right at the bottom of that balance, again, can you take a long against it? You can, but you're going to have lower value, and I would certainly have a stop below there because you should go get that monthly low from May of last year if you're to take out last Monday's low. If they can't take it out, or if they take out that monthly low and come right back into the balance, again, things could get pretty interesting. We have a wide POC from Friday. That was 10 wide. That was going to be a downside destination. That is now an upside destination. So, a lot of things here. A gap of a decent size. I will take a, not $2, $3. I'll take a short to see if we test how much we test below the balance low and the monthly low from May of 2021. We come and fill the gap, I'm out. And then we reassess because, again, there's that 10 wide POC from Friday. You start getting acceptance below last Monday's low and last May's low, well, then for sure you're going to go fill that gap we talked about and maybe head towards the monthly low back on what month was that? 398.12. That was April 1st. We have two gaps there. A daily gap, which is small, only 18 cents, and a monthly gap, which is 6 cents. Eventually, those should fall. You're going to be opening with lower value to start, so sellers will have the advantage. And then, on the chart. So here's your monthly. The monthly's down. Remember, I was saying even last week, each time we kept getting back into that 3-month balance, to me, the monthly's down. Clearly down as we took out that 3-month balance, right? It's going to be a while to determine what they want to do with it, but it's firmly down. Weekly, technically, SPY had an outside week down last week as we took out last week's high the previous week's high by 2 cents. ES has been nothing but down. So we would be coming out of, again, to the downside if we take out last week's low in SPY. Right now I was calling it down to balance because we did take out the previous week's high. And the daily, here it is. Now look, there's last Monday, here's Friday. Right now it's 75 minutes to go. We're trading right below Friday's low, but above Monday's low. So balance rules are just as important, if not more important, than gap rules. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes and subscribing, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.